In this tutorial, let's see how to import XY data to ArcGIS from a spreadsheet, and how to convert it into a point feature layer. First, we have to set our working folder. To do that, click on the catalog icon. If you can't see the icon, first you have to right-click on the menu bar and activate the standard tool panel. Now the catalog panel appears from the right side. Right-click on here to connect the folder and browse the file. Okay, now you can see the connected folder under the folder connections. And this is the file I'm going to import. Excel files cannot directly drag to the program, so we have to convert it to a CSV first. Let's save the file as a CSV. And refresh the connected folder. Okay, here is the created CSV file. I'm going to drag it to the program. Here you can see the imported data as an attribute table. Okay, now let's see how to convert it to a point feature layer. Right-click on the imported file and click on Display XY Data. In here, specify the fields. In this case, I have north, east and height fields. Select the relevant coordinate system from here and click OK. Okay, here is the created point feature file.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.